Good evening, traders. This is Coach Alex, Freedom Trading Club. This would add to the hammer if it breaks 233 on the upside. It would reinforce the sell-off if it breaks the low of 115. And all you have to do is wait. Isn't that nice? And let them battle it out. Buy above 233, short below 115. Above that 234 says that all the institutions did on the open was to push it down so they could push it up. They establish a low position and then they just ride it for even the rest of the day, right? If it breaks 235 and all, it might start going toward the pivot and then all the shorts have to panic and cover. Also, if you recall, in the morning, we were short at 239. Well, of course, if you're still short at 239 and it starts going above it, you want to cover. And that's what happens in the market. On the other hand, if the bears who shorted the rallies earlier up to 270, they're hoping for the market to break this one. What is it? 13, did I say? 115. Yeah. So there you go. There's the battle. After that, your next resistance would be 35,246. Momentum is still down. Now, again, above 236, 235, the momentum will turn up. Yeah. And that's why, again, if you use the 15-minute chart, wouldn't that fake out any shorts? Right, Bill? Because everything looks lower. But if the market goes up, then people scratch their head. They're still losing money. So that's why it's good to base this 15-minute bar just like a Crable. If the negatives wear out, it should break below the low, right? And that's why the funny thing, when I give out a trading call, I'll say, we'll go short below 115. And I'll get a trader say, oh, it's never going to go below there. Well, then why do you want to short it? See, you've got to be confident that it's going to go below and go to 0.60. But if it doesn't go below, then it's going to go above. It's not going to stay here until Christmas. So it's good to let the market tell you which one is going to win. That's the beauty of trading. You let the market decide. Does that make sense, guys? Everything points to lower. But if the price goes up, it doesn't matter what everything else is pointing to. 233 is the high so far of the 15-minute chart. 233. It has not been able to get above there. But Mr. Market will tell us if he can get above there. Well, it's starting to get above there. It just traded at 234. So far by only one tick. Yet, I'll tell you this, if I'm short, I'd be a little nervous now, wouldn't you? You say, wait a minute, how come it's not breaking the 15-minute low. What's happening here, right? If you were short, wouldn't you get out now? Wouldn't you start covering? Any kind of a pullback, you would cover, correct? So if I'm short, I'm taking this pullback here and say, I better get out, take my loss, because I don't want to go higher. Because it goes higher, then those who are trapped, if they don't get out on a pullback, then they're really going to have to pay up if this thing starts shooting up toward the daily pivot, right? So let's watch. My opinion right now is that shorts are trapped. We will see. Ticks are starting turnaround. Momentum is almost ready to move up. Consumer sentiment at 10, guys. Consumer sentiment at 10. Those happy consumers. Testing the resistance. Report in 2.5 minutes. Remember, we went short this morning at 239. Imagine if it goes above that, then all those people will be trapped, right? Two minutes for the report. Momentum has turned up. You got 30 seconds for the report. Take some profits. Shorts are trapped. Take some profits. Scale it out from 248 to 265. Ding. Good job. We're flat.